In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix add music to WhatsApp status not showing. If the music option or the sound from your phone isn't appearing when you create a status, don't worry. Follow along and we'll walk through reliable checks that usually bring the feature back or make the audio show up properly. First, look at your device's audio settings. Open your phone's volume panel and make sure the media volume is turned up, not just the ringtone or call volume. Many devices separate these sliders, and if media is low or muted, WhatsApp won't capture the sound you're trying to add. Also, quickly check if Do Not Disturb is enabled. If it is, set it to allow media sounds or turn it off temporarily so your audio can play and be picked up while recording a status. Next, unmute your phone and disconnect Bluetooth. On phones with a physical mute or silent switch, flip it to the ring position. If you use sound profiles, pick one that isn't silent or vibrate only, then raise the media volume with the side keys while music is playing. If you're paired to Bluetooth headphones, speakers, a car, or even a smartwatch, your audio might be routed away from the phone's speaker and microphone. Turn off Bluetooth from quick settings or disconnect those devices so the music plays out loud from the phone itself before you start recording your status. Now, update the WhatsApp application, open your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if you see it. Updates often fix bugs and roll out interface changes that can affect features like status tools. After updating, fully close WhatsApp from your recent apps, then reopen it to load the new components cleanly. If you're on Android, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause buttons to disappear or previews to glitch without touching your chats or media. Be careful not to tap Clear Data. If your phone doesn't show a Clear Cache option, simply skip this step. Finally, verify your account type and any restrictions. Some features may appear differently on business, child, or managed devices, and certain regions receive changes at different times. Make sure there aren't parental controls or enterprise policies limiting camera or microphone use, and be aware that beta builds can temporarily move or hide features until a stable update arrives. Once you've done these checks, start music on your phone's speaker, open WhatsApp, go to status, tap the camera, and record while it plays. Your audio should now show up as expected. Thanks for watching and happy posting.